If you want to be a top producing commercial real estate agent, you're going to want to watch this video because we're going to talk about the top 5 skills that separate top producing commercial real estate brokers from everyone else. All right, let's start with skill number 1, probably the most important skill, at least I think so anyway. Matter of fact, we do not let our agents get on the phones until they have market and financial mastery in their marketplace. You cannot fake this. The top CRE brokers are nothing more than human databases. They know every major owner and every recent comp. They know current rents, cap rates, zoning nuances, what traded off market recently. They underwrite deals faster. They speak the language of NOI, DSCR, and IRR without hesitation. When an owner asks a question, they don't say, "I'm not sure, let me get back to you." Instead, they say, "Here's how the market is really behaving." That's authority, and authority creates trust, and trust builds your business. All right, we are on to skill number 2. Very important also, relentless prospecting discipline. And this is where most brokers fall behind. Top producers don't prospect when they feel like it. They prospect because it's a non-negotiable and they know it. The top producers never miss their times for cold calling, their follow-ups, their owner touches. They do it every single day. Even when they're busy, they're going to make the time to prospect because they understand one thing. Your pipeline today is built on yesterday's discipline. If you have no activity, you have no leverage. No leverage, no income. It sounds really simple, but it's not that easy. All right, we are on to skill number 3, is communication and negotiation. Here's the reality of being a real estate agent. You're not paid to just find and show properties. You're paid to move information and to manage conflict. So what the elite brokers do is very simple. They listen more than they talk. They frame all options clearly. Now this is one I struggled with in the beginning. Control emotions in tense negotiations. They keep buyers and sellers at the negotiating table when deals get uncomfortable. That is something that you will learn to do. Managing price, terms, and risk. That's your job. All right, we're on to skill number 4, relationship and trust building. And honestly, this is where the real money lives. Repeat clients, referrals, and long-term relationships, that's where it's at. Top brokers don't chase transactions. They build reputations by showing up consistently and following through every single time. They're always playing the long game. Clients don't see them as salespeople. They see them as an advisor, and advisors don't get replaced. They get called. We are on to skill number 5, grit, resilience, and time management. In this industry, deals are going to fall apart. Markets are going to shift. People are going to ghost you. Lord knows they have me. But top producers, they keep their activity level high. If they have downtime, they will prospect to bring in more business. So this is what the elite brokers do. They protect that calendar with their life because they don't want any wasted time. They defend their prospecting time because they know that's where the money comes from. And because of this, they bounce back fast. Losses do not derail them. They refocus and they keep moving because consistency always beats intensity. So in closing out the video, if you want to become a top producer, I want you to start by doing this. I want you to identify your weakest of these 5 skills and attack it. This week, not next quarter, not next year, now. Because in commercial real estate, the market rewards the disciplined. Thank you for watching the video today, everyone. We put these videos out every Monday at 2 p.m. PST. I hope that you'll tune in every week. And if you could, make sure you give us a like. And if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you again next week.